Hi guys, it's DK388. On today's video we'll be doing a DIY land drain and soakaway installation. So this is the plan of the garden at the minute, and the plan is to do a loop around the grass. So where the stones are currently I'm going to dig them out and put a sort of circular loop of land drain and then a soakaway at the rear, as you can see in orange. So I've been online to do my research and shopping. I'm going to buy a crate and then some coil of land drains. I think this is 25 metres by 100 mil, and then buy my accessories with the T-joints, elbows and the end caps that I need to complete the project. And there's the shopping basket and how much I paid for it online. So step one, I'm just removing the stones from the trench. In hindsight I should have used a land drain rather than filling it with stones, because you need to create void for drainage rather than filling it with stone. And here I'm just marking up my first elbow where I'm going to do my cut. And then as you can see, the land drain's got perforations or slots, so to take water and carry water away. And I'm just using a jigsaw with a metal blade just to cut the round land drain, cut it where I need to be, and then the elbow just simply clicks on. And then I'm just using a blue end cap just to prevent any dirt and stones from entering into the system. And here I'm just wrapping it up, back up, and then refilling with stones on the top just to make good. And then again on the right hand side I'm removing the stones and then putting a new liner in. I've got lots of bags that I'm reusing from aggregates bags. So rather than just throwing them away in the landfill, I'm just going to reuse them as a liner for the pipe, as you can see here. And then this is a bit where the interesting bit is, at the rear of the garden where we're going to dig our soakaway pit. So yeah, I'm just digging a pit as deep as I can, and then just taking a bit of a break and measuring, dropping the crate in every now and then just to see how it measures. Once I get to a height, a depth that I'm comfortable with, I'm just lining it and then dropping the crate in using any excess lining of the crate, and then filling the sides with stones and land drains to create as much void as I can to help with the water. And then this is the last section to complete of the loop. As you can see, it's got a bit of a curve. And then this is, I thought, would be a bit of an idea to put an inspection point using a T-section, a bit of offcut of land drain and then an end cap on the top. I've got one either side of the soakaway. I thought it might be interesting just to see how well it works and if I need to get access for any reason. And then this is the last section of pipe going in on the curved section, using some heavy duty weed fabric, and then using my jigsaw to cut it to pin length, and then just adjusting the soil just to make sure it falls so it's nice and level. And then that's the loop perimeter land drain fully complete and connected. So that's one of many elbows installed, and then as you can see the makeup, I've got the fabric lining and then the stones covering the top. Just working my way around, and then this is another elbow. So hopefully this section at the rear is slightly deeper than the front, so hopefully the fall would work towards the rear of the garden, away from the house, and then into the soakaway pit. That just drains into the pit, into the crate, and that's my second inspection point on the other side, and then fully connected round the loop. So that's all connected. Now it's just making good above surface. You can see, like I've already done here with the stones. And then just as a little detail, rather than the stones meeting the grass, I'm just putting some paving blocks as an edging detail. And then that's the finishing touches. So just hoping for some wet weather, and then we can see how well the system copes in the rain. So thanks for watching. We'll keep you updated in the next video.